Hello, this video will show how to reverse clips in After Effects. I have a 3D turntable coffee bean animation here. I click into the composition. This is rotate in anti-clockwise. If we want to reverse the clips, we can right click here, go to the time, go to time reverse layer, or make sure that we select the layer and go to the layer, time reverse layer, or we can use shortcut Control R. So the clips is reversed and the coffee bean is rotated in clockwise direction. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.